In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Better Volume Indicator and the Instrument Volume Indicator in TradingView Pro, quick and easy. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have both indicators added to your chart and ready to use to better understand market activity and volume behavior. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open for any instrument you want to analyze. It can be a stock, a crypto pair, a forex pair, or anything you normally trade. Once your chart is open on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. This is usually located near the top toolbar above your price chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators to open the Indicators and Strategies window. When that window opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where you can quickly find any built-in or community script on TradingView. Click directly into that search bar so you can start typing. Take a moment here to make sure you're in the right place, because there are a lot of options inside this panel. As long as you see a text field with a list of indicators below it, you're in the right spot. Now, in the search box, start by typing the words Better Volume Indicator. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results underneath. Look for the script that matches Better Volume Indicator in the list. When you find it, simply click on it once. TradingView will immediately add it to your active chart, usually in a separate panel below the price. Next, while you still have the indicators window open, click back into the same search box and clear out what you just typed. Now enter Instrument Volume. Again, TradingView will filter the list in real time. Locate the Instrument Volume Indicator in the results and click it to add it to your chart as well. You should now see both volume-related indicators displayed, giving you more detail on volume spikes, relative activity, and overall participation. With both indicators added, it's a good idea to adjust their settings so they match your preferences and are easy to read. On your chart, hover your mouse over the name of each indicator, then click the settings icon next to it. This opens a settings window where you can tweak inputs like colors, styles, and visibility. Take a minute to choose colors that stand out clearly against your chart background and adjust any line thickness or histogram style so the information is easy to interpret at a glance. Finally, if you do not already have TradingView Pro and you want access to the same tools and layout you see here, use the link in my video description to sign up. That way, you can follow along exactly, unlock the full charting features, and get the most value out of the Better Volume Indicator and the Instrument Volume Indicator in your everyday trading.